Hello friends. I present to your attention a mooring bollard with an adapter. It is used as a mooring device and as a fulcrum in the force towing away of motor boats up to 3 meters. The design allows the mooring halyard to be fixed. There is an additional hole for passing a rope or attaching a carabiner in the center. The bollard is equipped with an adapter, which helps it to be quickly and easily fixed into the pre-installed BORIKA FASTen mounting system. It's recommended to use mounting systems designed for increased loads together with the bollard. The range has a kit, which includes a bollard of this model and the reinforced mounting system for gluing to PVC surfaces. The accessory can be fully rotated 360 degrees around the adapter axis with 30 degrees adjustment. Made as a one-piece molded product of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.